Hi friends, welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Cynthia and I thank you for clicking on this video here. As you guys can see, we are just showing face today because I have a whole story to tell you guys before I show you the small haul that I have. But with that said, since we're already here, look at what Austin did. This is what having kids is. That's a wallflower plug-in. The Dear Santa part still works, and this is in my hands because his ball, whatever he was playing with, fell behind the couch. So he went to go crawling behind there and just knocked it out. So I guess since the Dear Santa still works, I figure I could still glue this together or something. I don't know, but I love this plug. And I'm just like, so anyways, having kids, that's what it's like sometimes. But I went to Delta Shores today, guys, to pick up my BOPUS order, which was the blanket, because my store doesn't have the blanket. That's why I had to go to their store. They're not too far from me, and I was going to get the blanket. Plus, I ended up getting because it was a purchase for the champagne toast box. So that order was fulfilled. I ordered it on the day it came out. When did it come out? Was it Thursday or was it yesterday? No, it was Thursday. So Thursday that order came out. And my order was fulfilled, by that night. It says it was fulfilled. I couldn't go pick it up yesterday, so I said I'll just go today since I don't work today, Saturday. And when I go pick up my order, their store was so crazy busy. In fact, I'll show you guys a clip here in a minute, or some clips of the store before we get into the haul. So this is, I guess, kind of like vlog style today. But anyways, as I was picking up my order, I was waiting for a long time for my BOPUS order right there on the side of like the registers and everything. They actually bring out my blanket. They bring out my blanket, and then they tell me that my box, that they don't know what happened, or I don't know the story. If maybe the employee that fulfilled it was a new employee, and that they think he just fulfilled the order and actually the box was never in the bag, something like that. I don't know how that could be, but anyways, that was the story. So they were trying to give me then, sorry if it's moving a lot, I'm obviously holding the phone. They were trying to give me gather up all the champagne toast items, so that they could give me everything that was in the box without the box, which is still a great deal. But honestly, I'm gonna tell you guys the truth. The real reason I bought the box was for the socks. And so when they brought socks out and they were trying to give me, I could choose from the Santa Claus socks, the snowman one, and the reindeer socks, right, that are in the store. I was just like so mad because you guys know, I guess maybe I could be a crazy collector, right? But I wanted the socks and the box. All the items I am going to give to my sister, my eldest sister. She's out here from like the LA area. And yeah, so I was going to give her the whole box as a Christmas present, and I was going to take the socks. Yeah, I know I'm crazy, but I was buying the box for the socks. So when they're trying to give me socks that I already have, I have two of the Santas. One's going to be a gift, and one's that I've already used. uh I was just mad, guys. And then thank you. I don't know if you're watching, Michelle, or anyone from that store. I know you guys were crazy busy, and I know I don't really say much, but I do get an attitude, and you guys, if I do get angry, you could see it in my face. I can't hide it. At least I think I can't. And I feel like customers were looking at me. Um, but I was like really mad, sad and mad, but more mad. Because I'm just thinking, like, how can you say the order is fulfilled? It's a big box. How could you miss that? Um, yeah. And anyways, I would have bought the box at my store, but I didn't want $30 worth of items, whatever I had to buy, 30 plus the 35 box. I didn't want $30 worth of items at my store of things that I don't need right now, or I didn't need at the time. So that's why I didn't get it at my store. So I was like, I want the blanket. They have the blanket, they have the box. I'll order it over there. My store was out of blankets. And so that's why I didn't get $30 worth of stuff in my store. Long story short, Michelle, thank you again. She went ahead and she said she had bought two boxes and she had one in her car, or she had them in her car. So she went to her car and got a box from her car to put it into my bag, my BOPUS bag that was already supposed to have the box. But thank you again for giving me this box, because it's definitely made me happy. because I really wanted the socks. And I can give the whole box and all the items in there, which I know my sister will like, of champagne toast to her. But as far as putting all the champagne toast things together, and I was like, it's still a great deal. I'm not gonna like return, it's still a great deal. So I was still gonna give her all of that, all of the items, even if it was separate. I would just put it in a bag or put it in a different box or something, right? But yeah, so that is the story. I know maybe I was being dramatic, and I know maybe they don't like me over there because I was being dramatic over some socks, over a box of champagne toast. But I really wanted the socks, and I didn't want to go onto eBay and try to buy the socks there. But let's get into, actually, let me show you a clip of the store of how busy it was, and then after that, we'll go into the haul, okay? Okay, so here I am waiting for my BOPUS order. I was waiting for a while, but I mean, patience is a virtue right now as you go out. Look at how busy it was. Everyone's shopping for their Christmas gifts and all that. I came over here to see if I was going to see anything new that I hadn't seen at my store, but not really. So I lifted my camera as I was waiting again. And then as I was walking out, I'm like showing you guys, this right here is by the front of the store. So the line, if you guys have ever been to Delta Shores, you see it is like so long to be almost at the door as you're coming in. So that's how busy they were. I know it was just like crazy busy, and it's just a crazy weekend, I think, because it's the weekend before Christmas, which, yeah, you have the 24th, which would be next Saturday, but a lot of us, at least me and my family, we actually celebrated on Saturday. So yeah, I just am happy that I got what I had purchased and that everything was made right. And again, let's get back into the haul now. All right, friends. So here is the bag that I went to pick up. They actually exchanged the bag out because the other one was like all beat up. I'm pretty sure the back room is like really busy with all these orders. So here's the blanket again. This is my second one. If you guys watch all my videos, you guys seen I already got one. It's already been stolen. So first of all, the dog, Arlo, I'll show you a picture here if I still have it here in my phone. I didn't delete it, so I should have it. He liked my blanket. So yeah, but I made him get off my blanket, give it back to me, and now my son Austin has the blanket in his room on his bed. He's looking at me. Yes. So yeah, so Austin has the blanket and he's loving it. He's not giving it back. So you will give it back?
Yeah, just I had it because Alex took the blanket that I used.
Oh, okay. You will give it back after I already bought another one? Okay, so anyways, as you guys heard him, he's behind me, so he's saying he will give it back. Yeah, sure. It's already been over a week. You should have given it back before. So anyways, this is the blanket I want for when we're watching Christmas movies here out here in the living room. So we've been watching some movies yesterday, me and Alex. The other two didn't really care for it. We're watching Die Hard. So yeah, I don't know how that's like a Christmas movie, but it's like all action. Alex really wanted to watch it because he's never watched it before, and at church they were talking about it. But here's the blanket, $59.95. He was talking to like other kids about Christmas movies, and they told him about Die Hard. So this is 50 by 60. And remember, like in the first video, I was like having to look it up. Yeah, so it's right there. And yeah, this one is 25 right now. Some stores still have it. My store does not. And I think even the Marketplace store does not. But here at Delta Shores, they still had several. So if you're by me, like you could go over there and get one. But just be ready to get in that line because they are crazy busy. It's just a crazy busy weekend. Like I just know that. But so there's the blanket. And I showed you guys, I opened it up in the last video. So I'm going to link that video down below when I bought this one so you guys can see that. And you can go to the end of the video just to see how big this blanket is, like how it actually looks. So here is the box that I almost didn't get. Oh my goodness. And what I want is the socks, friends. I don't know. Some of you guys may be like me. Some of you guys may not. And you totally were like, I don't care for champagne toast. I honestly don't either. I'm fine without it. But I figured it is a great gift for my sister. Honestly, a lot of people do love it. I know that she will like it. So it is a great gift for her. But I'm taking the socks. Fizz all the way, Bath and Body Works. There's so many items in here. I mean, 9 total items. It'll be 8 without the socks. I'm gonna go ahead, hold on. So I'll have to figure out how to put it all back in. So these right here, let's toast to being cozy. These socks are so comfy. You guys know I've been using literally this week, and it's been so cold out here. Every single day I've been using one of my socks. I was even using the ones from last year just like 2 nights ago. They're like pink too, like a lighter pink. Yeah, so these socks are the cutest. And this is right why I was really sad. This is why, and plus we had so many boxes while I was working, and I was like, oh, I should have just bought some stuff at the store. Some candles. I could have adjusted the price later. So yeah, so these are the socks I really, really wanted, and these are mine. That's it. These are mine. Here's mine. So we have champagne toast. This candle, she can put it in her bathroom or wherever she wants, but I just like the smaller candles for smaller spaces. We have the champagne toast fragrance mist. We have the champagne toast. This is sold out all the time at our store, like the hand soap. Currently, like, we don't have any, but we will get some more. So champagne toast in the shower gel. I'm going to stop saying that name because you guys know it's already champagne toast. Lotion, the big candle. I like it. I need to burn one. Maybe in January though, because I'm burning all my Christmas ones. So here's that one. And we have the pocket back and the hand cream. So yeah, these were all the items they were trying to put together for me. They even had the champagne toast, the previous one, or actually like the holiday one that they have in like a darker pink that I already do have in my collection. But anyways, like I said, all this is for my sister. I thought it'd be a great gift. Plus I get the socks. Sister, if you do watch this, the socks are mine. But I'm going to be giving her a couple of other things too. So not just this box. So she is getting a couple other items that I'm not showing on here. But for sure, I just am so happy that I finally got my full set of a box. And if I'm being dramatic, guys, I am sorry, but I am a collector that's a little bit crazy about some of these items. And I think it was more that I couldn't believe the story. And if you're watching, like, yes, I couldn't believe the story of how you could miss a whole box going into a bag. I just couldn't believe that story. Like, in my head, like, it just kept replaying that it was sold to somebody else that really wanted it more or something, maybe like another employee there. I don't know. I just couldn't believe the story. In my head, it was playing that maybe somebody took the box out and bought it, and I was going to just be without a box. But yeah, that is the story today, friends. I hope that you guys are having a great weekend and that you guys have a blessed and wonderful week as well. I will see you guys in the next video. Hopefully I'll be here tomorrow. I'm not quite sure. I do have things that I want to film, like a small declutter of some items I already have right next to me, but it just depends on time. So I hope to see you guys tomorrow. If not, I will be back here hopefully on Monday. And until the next one, my friends, I love you guys so much. Please stay blessed. Bye, guys.